Try that again.
Can you make more toot noises?
Can you? Yeah, are you sure? Are you sure about that? And you have the hiccups? At the same time that you make toot noises? What is it about you and couches? Charlotte?
Charlotte, look at your daddy.
Hey, how are you, baby? Whoa. Obviously we're not feeding this child enough. Am I right?
Must eat leather.
Alright, that's enough of that.